Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by Dyson. Stepping out, it's Friday night. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the new Dyson V11 torque drive cordless vacuum. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know how much I love my Dyson cordless vacuums. On the way, you got that good vibe. I want to spend some time. So I'm going to be using it in today's video all throughout my house. I did not charge it in between using it. So I wanted to let you guys know that this is one charge. It was fully charged, but I did not go and plug it in between uses. I just brought it around to each room with me and it stayed charged the entire time. That is something I love. The battery on this thing is phenomenal. It has 3 different modes. It has eco mode, medium mode, and boost mode. Medium mode is basically the auto mode. So that medium mode or that auto mode, that is going to help with your battery life a ton. They have something they call dynamic load sensing, and it basically senses when you're on a hard surface floor, like hardwood flooring, versus a carpet. And I'm going to let you listen to what that sounds like right now. So as you could hear there, it just automatically sensed that I went from hardwood to carpet, and that helps to save your battery life as well, and it also is just really convenient because you don't even have to think about it. So it comes with all these accessories that I'm showing you here, and like I said, you can keep one of these on board with you, so as you take it from room to room, you always have that accessory. I really like that feature. I use it to clean upholstery, I use it to clean the stairs, to get into tight spaces. Like I said, you guys are going to see a lot of the ways that I use it in this video. So the new LCD screen is going to have a countdown for you of how much time you have left. I love this because it helps to prioritize my cleaning. So say for example, you have guests coming over and you know that you want to get your living room vacuumed. You know you only have 5 minutes left, so you can do the living room first and then move on to the other spaces. But honestly, I have never had an issue with the battery. It claims to last up to 60 minutes, and I have definitely never had an issue with it lasting this long. And as you can see in this video, I used it throughout my entire house. I used it for a lot of different things. I even used it on boost mode on my carpets, and I still had time left at the end of it. Another reason I love the new LCD screen is that it has maintenance reminders that come up, so it's going to remind you when your filter needs to be changed, or if there was a blockage, it's going to come on and actually show you that there's a blockage and then give you a tip on how you can fix the blockage, which is really cool. So definitely head on over to Dyson.com if you want more information about this vacuum, or if you have any questions, you can definitely ask me in the comments because I am a huge fan and I have been using their cord-free vacuums for years and years. I think the first one I had was the V6, and they have come such a long way, but I even loved that vacuum, and I have upgraded about every other year, and definitely not because I needed to. We actually still have the Dyson V6. My husband uses it in the garage, and then I have the V8 and I use that upstairs. It's really easy for my oldest daughter who is 11 to use. Even my 4-year-old can use it, but I like having one upstairs and then having one downstairs. So like I said, I'm a huge fan. I highly recommend this vacuum. If it's something that you have been looking into or wondered about, it has my seal of approval 100%. So I am curious to know, what is your favorite chore to do around the house? I think I did a what is your least favorite. I can't remember if I did what is your favorite or not, but I want to know what is your most favorite chore that you enjoy doing, something that you actually don't mind to do. For me, oddly enough, with the theme of this video, it is vacuuming. I love vacuuming. I'm obsessed with vacuums. I love carpet lines. They're so satisfying, and I just feel like when my floors are clean, that my whole house is clean. So let me know in the comments what your favorite cleaning chore to do is. So now I'm using my garbage disposal cleaner, and I have all this stuff linked in the description box. In my Amazon store, I have an actual list for my favorite cleaning products, and all of these will be in that list organized for you guys to see right there. And if you want to order some for yourself, you can also do that. But I love my garbage disposal cleaner. I do this about once a week, and as you can see on the right side, that's my garbage disposal, and then on the left side is just the regular drain, and it kind of comes up that side, and then I rinse it all down, and it just freshens it up, deodorizes it, cleans it out, and I love this stuff so much. I cannot stand when you go in somebody's house and their sink drain smells like rotten milk. Oh, it just is so gross to me, and it's like a huge pet peeve of mine, and I'm super afraid that mine is going to stink, so I clean it regularly, and I highly recommend doing that. Even if you don't have a garbage disposal, they have drain fresheners and things like that I would definitely recommend purchasing and using, because there's nothing worse than a smelly kitchen sink. Ugh. So on this day, Kinsley was at preschool. Maddie was at school, obviously. She goes Monday through Friday, but Kinsley only goes 2 days a week. But she was at school on this day, and I was so surprised at how much I had got done without having her here. God love her, of course I love her, but when she's here, I feel like I cannot get anything done, or it takes twice as long because I'm constantly having to stop and help her with something or make lunch or something like that. So I was so happy because I was able to just breeze through my cleaning and get one thing done and move to the next thing. And when I was all done, I was like, wow, I cannot believe that. I think it took me about 2 hours to do all of this cleaning that you see in this video. The tool that I'm using right now is called the mini motorized tool, and I love using this one for the stairs and for upholstery. I like to vacuum the couches with this one. It's really lightweight and it doesn't break my back. Madeline can use it when she vacuums the stairs, and it picks up all kinds of dog hair and our hair because we shed a lot, and it gets in those tight little spaces, and it just does a really excellent job. And I really love this tool specifically for the stairs and upholstery.
Don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. DJ got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living.
So like I mentioned before, in the rooms I have carpet and on the stairs as well, I use it in boost mode. So this is going to be the highest suction that you can get, and this is going to lessen the amount of time you get on the battery. But again, I've never had an issue because I use it, and like in this video, I used it on boost for the living room rug. I'm using it on boost for my bedroom carpets. I used it on boost for the stairs. I'm going to use it on boost upstairs on those carpets, and I still had battery when I was all done. So definitely love the battery time. Is not an issue at all, I'm telling you guys.
I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for the always lost about something. Who knows if I can find a track that could lead me back to those days when we were happy. We said we would never give up.
So I'm washing my bathroom rugs. I like to wash them about once a week because they're in the bathroom and you're flushing your toilet and you're getting in and out of the shower. I just feel like they get a lot of traffic and there's a lot of germs in a bathroom. So I like to wash my bathroom rugs once a week.
Why do we have to fall back down? Hold my hand and I'll take you higher, 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 higher. I'll take you higher. I never meant to hurt you like I did. Now I need you to forgive me for the pain I caused you. Rain will wash away the sadness in our hearts. Lights will guide us to a place where we can start all over now. Tell me why we have to hit the ground when it's easier to fly higher, 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 higher. Why do we have to fall back down? Hold my hand and I'll take you higher, 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 higher.
So at this point, I'm going to show you how much battery life I had left, and I still had some cleaning to go. But I had 8 minutes and 22 seconds left, it said, on auto. And again, I was using it on boost a lot of the time. So I'm going to be vacuuming this couch here, and I'm still going to have time left on the vacuum.
Break it down to a second, a millionth of a dream. Go, go, go for the limit with the power of belief. Just soak it up like a flower, like a summer field, aching to be healed. Just rain on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling, up and away. Cross the sky like a comet, like a shooting star. Do what you gotta to be true to who.
And that's how much garbage I picked up in today's video. When I started, I made sure that it was cleaned out completely because I wanted to see how much I accumulated just in this one cleaning video, and that was it. So that is proof of how much it picks up. It's so gross, but it does such a good job, and it holds so much. And I honestly could have kept going. I didn't have to empty it. It still had room, but I wanted to empty it just for the sake of this video to kind of show you how much it had picked up.
This feeling, up and away. I could never be free, could never follow. I let the power in me be strong, but then you came along, baby, under your hand. I learned to understand, to live, to love myself. You color me like the rainbow, fill me with your spark, take me from the dark, so shine on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up the ceiling, up and away. Fly me over the rivers, over open seas. Bring me to this feeling, up and away. Blow me into space, the power of your embrace. Lift me up.
So if you made it this far in the video, I first off want to thank you so much for all of your support. I want to thank you guys. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't have dreams come true, like being sponsored by Dyson. Like, hello. I remember in the beginning of my channel saying, like, people used to say Dyson should sponsor you because of how much I would rave about my vacuum, and look, they did. You guys are just so amazing. Seriously, without you, I'm gonna get emotional. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do this. You've made my dreams come true. It's changed me as a person. It's helped out my family so much. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support and your love and your kind words and for being happy for me. I just want to thank you. And I also want to tell you, if you made it this far, to stay tuned because this Friday I have a huge announcement, and I'm talking huge. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notifications on because Friday a video is going up and you are not going to want to miss this. Thank you again so much, Dyson, for sponsoring today's video.
Bring me to this feeling, up and